When resurrected, then eternal life is given. What a man wants, he will get. But the thing is that one has to believe in the hereafter. And this cause should also be believed. Who can make such a big universe? Who can give so much wisdom to humans? And you also believe that no ordinary person can do so much work. There is someone who created such a big universe, and that is Allah. He who can create the seven heavens can also bring you back to life. So think that he cannot revive you after killing you. It is not difficult for him to revive a 6 feet human beings after death. Today, whether you accept it or not, he will resurrect you after killing you and make you stand in front of him one day. After creating such a world, the work he said is huge, and that is the test of who comes before me as good, who come before me as evil. And whoever appeared before him by being good became successful. The good will have a life of fun that no one has seen or heard of till date. And the life of the wicked is a very painful punishment. Now the problem is that there is a theory that they say that these are all lies. There is nothing hereafter, etc. These are all lies. That is the theory of the unbelievers. They are not ready to accept anything. That theory makes you all tension free. There is the hereafter and there is life after death. Remember, this theory of liberal people will destroy you. You will be resurrected and gave so many examples that no one can prove them wrong. Allah gave the eye to man. Till today, such a camera could not be made. So, how can you say that there is no creator of the universe? Today, some people are not ready to accept the things created by Allah. After accepting Islam, you have to give up a lot of things. So, alcohol will have to be given up. Adultery will have to be given up. The lie will have to give up. You will have to pray. The poor will have to be taken care of.